Hi, this is your teacher Johnny Gatawa, 36 years of age and residing at the City of Pines, Baguio City, Philippines. My career objective is to share with you my knowledge in English through grammars, good communication skills, and how to speak English fluently. And of course, I have my strength, which is I am sociable and can adjust to any working environment. Also, I have my weakness, which is being shy, and I overcome my shyness by visiting other countries, other places, and meeting friends in different personalities, and of course, by learning their tradition and culture, and of course, I can see myself 5 years from now, successful teacher and English speaking provider for you, and of course, thank you, and I'm wishing for you to be working, looking forward to be working with you, and of course, just ring me a bell if you are willing to learn English. So thank you so much for giving a time on my video, and God bless us all. Ayan, so for today, this is your Auntie Papa Johnny Gatawa, and I'm going to show you, or I'm going to unbox the things that I bought today for those who are applying, or for those people who are imagining for the future online English online teaching. So here I am, and I'm going to show you the things or the requirements that they're asking when you are going to apply via English online tutor. And so this is what they are required for. So first of all, guys, is mostly they are having that internet connection, which is 25 Mbps and above. So for me, I have 75 Mbps, so it is a very fast. And so after that, I'm going to be showing you the things that you are supposed to be having before you're going to start your online English tutor. So first thing is, we have here the headset with the microphone, of course. Ayan, so the wire is inside. So let us open, and I'll let you see how it is being used. So okay, so this is only I just bought this for only 465 pesos there at Chungsan, La Trinidad. Again, so if you are wanting to have this, yeah, you can use it on your laptop too, even if you're not going to teach. But it's very important that you are going to have this in order for you to hear it clearly, the movies that you're going to be watching. But for me, I'm going to be using this for my future English online teaching. So ayan, so hopefully I'm going to have it, and ayan na, that's it. This is the connection that you're going to connect to your laptop. So this is, this is longer than ever. Ayan, so like that. And of course we have the wire here. So we have the long wire, I think, yeah. So at least we have 1.5 meter that you could use. So ayan, so guys, this is the headset that we're going to be using on an online English tutor. Ayan, so of course, that's not the only thing that we're going to be using while you are going to apply for an English tutor. Of course, we really need to have a camera. Ayan, a camera which is, I bought it for 480. So, ayan. Marami pong mga cheap na pwede nating bilhin. So, we can buy this one. And of course, the camera is not the only camera that we are not going to be using instead. But, ladies and gentlemen, I believe so that we need something to make it more brighter for our student online to see our beautiful faces. So, this is the thing that I'm going to show you. This is the webcam. So, you can just clip it above your laptop or computer. So this is the thing. So we have here the connection, of course, in order for them to be compatible. So you have to check on your laptop if there's something like this for the connection for this and for this to be compatible to be used. So ayan. So you have to check everything, the connection of your laptop before you are going to buy those things, this webcam. So next is, in order for your student to see you clearly on camera, on cam, ayan. I also have this. I also bought a lamp, of course, for us to be using. So because I believe so that this webcam has the controlled megapixel, not like cell phones that it has the higher megapixels that they're going to be using. So I bought something like this. So this is the lamp that I bought. I only bought this for 379 pesos. Ayan. 379 pesos. Ayan. So, I'm going to see you and I'm going to show you how it is being used. So, it also has a clip here wherein you can clip it to your table or to, here, something. It's clippable. So, ayan. So, you can clip it. And adjustable. Ayan. So, if I'm going to turn it on, that's how it is. If it is, yeah, so that is the lamp that you're going to use when you are teaching online during night time. So this is it, guys. And wish me luck that I could get that online English tutor. So, because this time of pandemic, ayan, we need this job. So, I am trying to teach online English tutor from any different countries. Like, for example, Japanese, ayan, Koreans, ayan. So, that's how I do my job. So, I am using this lamp, of course, when I am teaching at night time. So, thank you so much for watching my vlog for today. Ayan. And you can also use this every day when you are vlogging, most especially when you are having a makeup tutorial. Ayan. Multi-purpose lamp. So, you can change the bulb. Ayan. You can change the bulb inside into a brighter one, but because I just bought this together with the bulb, so it is free. And so, guys, I would like to let you know that this lamp is rechargeable. Ayan. So you can charge it, and like a cell phone that you can be charging it. So that's it, guys. And thank you so much for watching. God bless us all. And ayan nga po, that's the thing. If you are aspiring for the profession of teaching English via online. So ayan mga kaibigan. So I'm going to be showing you again, of course, this webcam. Ayan. And of course, the headset with microphone, of course, and the lamp that you're going to use during nighttime of your teaching, or you can use it anytime as you wanted. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. And if you're not yet connected to my YouTube channel, please do connect to Papa Johnny Gatawa. And don't forget to tap the notification bell for you to be notified for the next vlog that I'm going to be uploading. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless us all. Ayan, so I'm going to be demonstrating. I'm going to be trying if it is effective. This headset and microphone that I bought a while back. So I think it's good. Yeah, hello, mic test, mic testing 1 2 3, mic testing 1 2 3. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's okay, it's okay. I can hear it. So, thank you so much, and ayan po. Ayan, sample po tayo. Kunyari, call center ako. Yes, good evening. Thank you for calling BDO. This is Johnny Gatawa, your agent for today. How may I help you? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I would like to let you know that you have consumed, yes, you have used your ATM to the grocery store, which is being swiped, and you have consumed 13,000 pesos as of January until until this month of September. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Let me check, sir. Ayan, ganon. So, ayan na naman. Kunyari naman pag nagturo ka na. Okay, can you please give me the example of your face when you're angry? Okay. Could you give... Okay, next is, can you give me the sound of a cat? Very good. How about a sound of a dog? Very good. You're so good. You're a fast learner. What about the sound of a caravel? Oh, that's definitely correct. Yeah, you're perfect. Ayan, so ganun po. So ayan mga kaibigan, ang gamit po ng ating headset with microphone para clear na clear po mga kaibigan, at clear na clear din ang ating face. Gumamit lang po tayo ng lamp during nighttime, pag nighttime po tayo magturo. And of course, para clear naman ang ating face sa harap ng ating estudyante ay of course we need a webcam. So thank you so much guys for watching again. So ayun guys, I'm going to be trying this how the Skype, or how are you going the online. So that is